Hello everybody, welcome back to All DIY, No Skills. We're on to our next step of our lawn overseed, and we're going to be using a starter fertilizer. Again, this is by Scott's. I know a lot of people hate on Scott's, but this is just for the average homeowner who's going to pick their stuff up at Home Depot or Lowe's. Now with this, we don't want to be as liberal as we were with the seed, because this has a high concentration of nitrogen, which could really burn your lawn, which you don't want. So we're going to stick to the actual recommended setting of 3 1/4 for the broadcast rotary spreader. Put up our bag. Put some in our hopper. We're not going to need as much as we did with the seed because of the lower setting. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. Set our broadcaster to 3 1/4. And similar fashion to the seeding, edge guard on, we go ahead. All right, do our turnaround, edge guard off, and proceed. So as you can see, because we're spreading at a lower setting than we were spraying the seed at, we're going through a lot less material. And like I said, you don't want to go too crazy with this, because this does have a high concentration of nitrogen and we don't want to burn our lawn. So we're going to actually use the recommended setting for the spreading. And I'm very happy to say that our little taped up wheels are actually working really good, especially with fertilizer like this, because without the tape, as we're spreading the fertilizer, we get caught up in the wheels, and when you're doing a turnaround, it just dumps a whole bunch of material all in one spot. Which with this stuff is no good, because then we'd have a burn spot. So as you can see, we turn around, no material dump, and we keep going. And look at that, we guessed just about the right amount of stuff. Final pass. Little shakes at the end. Make sure we get everything out of there. Oh wow. We guessed that just right about on the money. Get the last little bit of stuff out of here. Just yeet it on by hand. And that's it. We're done with that step. On to the next step.